I always forgot how beautiful it can be up here at night.
You sure is right about that, Dr. McLean.
Sometimes, it feels like we're the only two people in the world that know about this spot.
Funny you should say that, because I saw a train on my way up here today.
Well, trains are pretty common around these parts. I mean, there's tracks everywhere.
Well, it was downright strange. Wasn't like no train I've never seen before.
Was it blue? Like a mystical blue. Almost as if the train had become one with the air around it.
Oh, yes! I couldn't have said it any better myself, Lightning. Man, that's exactly what it looked like.
When I had that wreck a while back.
Oh, boy, I remember. We all didn't think you were gonna make it out alive.
It's pretty weird. When I had the wreck, I had such an odd dream. It was a strange feeling. It was a place I've never seen before. Felt as if I'd spent a lifetime there. And the only resemblance from the normal world was the sound of a train coming my way. I felt fear more than anything. Though it was the sound of a train, it felt like a thunderstorm. Like an earthquake was going to destroy the ground around me. And I would fall into a sea of nothingness. All I could do was anxiously hold my breath and brace for impact. But the impact never came. Instead, a smiling face appeared, melting from the darkness. Pale and cold, screeched forward on its tracks, only to stop right in front of me. It was as if I'd never spoken a single word in my life. I couldn't conjure a single sentence to say to him. But the train finally spoke, and I can still hear his voice in my mind.
I have seen past the farthest star, and I have gone to the edges of the earth. So choose. I can give you all the things you never knew you wanted. Taste from the tallest chalice. Dine at the largest halls. And all I ask in return is your soul. Your soul for a chance at a life without pain, without heartache. So give you more, just for your soul.
I asked back to him, what of life after death? What of the paradises that await me in heaven above? The train did not look to me. It didn't make a single sound. Through all the steam and moving parts controlling this demonic vessel, its only reply was,
Bring me woes. Your God has turned his back on you. That's why that track still push me forward.
My body was afraid. Something new and unknown. May it be death. May it be hardship. Suddenly I woke from this nightmare.
Wow. I tell you what, that's downright horrifying.
Well, I haven't really slept well since then.
Oh, come on, Lightning. It's just a train. Nothing to be afraid of out here.
I know you're right. There's nothing to be afraid of now.